Hi guys, welcome to this Rakesh channel here. So guys, recently one of the people will be comment for my channel here. The comment is called, "Sir, I'm unable to post my website URL onto my Facebook page. So how to resolve that issues? In this purpose, what is the major impact for the particular block the URL on the Facebook page option? First of all, we can copy the URL. We can paste on your particular Facebook page. So here, when post this content, it will showing for like this option. So here, I'm posting this option. The URL goes against our community standard and spam here. Just how is it rectified? Just you can click for continue option. They give you the condition. What is the condition they will be? Block the condition will be here. Now click for in this continue option. Here, one more option is there Facebook debugger. Our community standards. We don't allow the people to post certain URLs on Facebook. This includes things like website with the spammy pop-ups. If any kind of spammy pop-ups will be there will be community standard will be guidelines. Website that protect to be well-known brands is a second option. Misleading website. URL previously posted by the suspicious accounts. So these all options will be here. Suppose you will be genuine, you can apply for the standard. Previous we have to apply for the replace. Lot of options are there, but in the 2021 in the Facebook guidelines is a completely change. The guidelines will be finally click the continue option. Don't forget these four options. Why the standards are important in the Facebook? First of all, website with the spammy pop-ups, website that pretend to be well-known brands, misleading websites, URL previously posted by the suspicious accounts. Suppose click the continue option. Is give the two option. Accept decision. The second option will be the URL can't posted. Disagree with the decisions. We can use feedback to make a improvement on future decision. So nothing but so why I can community will be blocked. My website will be not spam. So this all information will give this in the particular option. Finally, click for feedback form. Previous we have to apply for a lot of feedback forms. Everything will be applied for in this particular Facebook community guidelines. But in the 2021, you can apply for the feedback form. They will be approved on the particular Facebook page option. So this method we can follow. When it is approved, you can post the website link on the Facebook business page and the Facebook profile. So no worry about that. You can send the request and feedback and recover your links on the particular Facebook page. They give the guidelines on by getting by message on your email or Facebook messenger box. So this is the follow feedbacks to upload your links on the Facebook business page and the Facebook profile. If anybody doubt, you can ask me our channel. I definitely support. Anybody is block the URL. I will be clarified how is rectify your particular options. Thank you. Thank you very much.